sky. Rivers meander like liquid silver, and valleys carve intricate patterns across the land. Each element, a testament to the artistry of nature, a symphony of colors and textures. From the snow-capped peaks of the Himalayas to the lush valleys of the Amazon, Earth's canvas is a breathtaking display of natural beauty. The Grand Canyon, a testament to time's relentless sculpting, reveals layers of history etched in stone. The Nile River, a life-giving ribbon, snakes through the desert, nurturing civilizations for millennia. Earth's canvas is not static, it's a dynamic work of art, constantly evolving. Volcanoes erupt, spewing molten lava that reshapes the landscape. Earthquakes rumble, shifting mountains and carving new valleys.